What's up guys, John here, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you this Bill Withers classic called Lean On Me. It's got a really cool walking up and walking down chord progression. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. But before we get into the lesson, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and make sure you're subscribed. We've got new videos that are being added constantly that are really going to help your guitar playing out. Also, if you could leave any comment below for the YouTube algorithm, that really helps out our videos. Again, you're getting this information totally for free, so that's all I ask. All right, let's break it down. The intro and main progression sounds like this. So I'm using a couple chords here. I'm starting out on a C, which I'll play from the A string down, 3, 2, open, 1, open. We'll strum that chord, and we'll do 2 quarter notes. They're gonna be down strums. We're gonna go 1, 2, and then we're gonna play a single note bass line like this. This is like a walk up. So we're going to play the 3rd fret of the A string, which we're already on with the C chord. Then we'll lift up our 2nd finger, play open D, and then 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. So we're really putting those 3 notes with our chord. So walk up. Then we're going to play an F chord. And we're going to play this little F from the D string down. We'll play 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret, 1st fret. This is F. And that's going to come on the and of 4th. So we'll do 2 down strums, and then we'll do the walk up in 8th notes like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we'll put that chord on the and of 4. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and then on beat 2 of the next measure, we're going to strum again, a down strum, and then we're going to walk back the same notes that we walked up. We'll start with the root note of that F chord, the 3rd fret on the D string. We'll pick that note, then we'll play the 2nd fret, then open, and then a C chord. That'll be a strum. So we're picking these notes, pick, 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 strum. So from the F, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So here's what we have so far. C, C, walk up, F chord, 1 strum, walk down. Then we'll do another strum on the C, and we'll do the walk up again. This time only to the 2nd fret, and then we'll keep our finger there, and we're going to play these 2 chords. This is E minor over G to a G. And what we're going to do is put our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, and then 2nd finger will be on that 2nd fret of the D string. We're going to mute the A string, so I'll do that with my 3rd finger just arcing over. And then we'll play open, 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 just those 2 fingers. Then we'll take off the 2nd finger, but add the pinky to the 3rd fret of the B string. We're gonna strum that chord, leaving the 3rd finger down. We're gonna mute the A string and the high E string. So it's gonna sound like this. So here's the first 4 bars all together. C, walk up, F, strum, walk down, C, strum, walk up part way, E minor over G, G. Then we're going to start again. Then the 2nd time we're going to go. We have a little variation to close out the 8-bar progression. We're going to walk up part way to to that second fret. Then this time, instead of E minor over G, we're just gonna play G, C. And the way that I play this G is with my third finger on the third fret of the low E, mute the A string, then play open D, open G, open B, and then mute the high E string. I mute that high E with this part of my hand there, and then go to C. So here's the whole 8-bar progression that's the majority of the song. Ready? Go. C. Walk up. Walk back down. To the first time, E minor over G, G, then play it again. Walk up. Walk down. To the variation. So we're gonna play that for the whole first section until we get to the B section where it's like, you just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. And this is basically just a groove over a C chord. You just hit the C chord, you just a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. So we're just gonna hit those downbeats and then we're gonna rest. C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2. Now if you want, you can play the bass line like this. You just 2. It's just a little slide on the G string from the 4th fret up to the 5th. So we just go. It's like 1, 2, 3. On beat 3. 2, 3. We do this for 8 bars. Somebody to lean on. Just might have a problem that I understand. We all need somebody to. Then when we finish this phrase in the 7th bar, we're gonna go G, and then that'll go into the 8th bar, C. So the last time is like somebody to lean on. Then we go back to the main progression. The only other part we have to learn is the very end, and that's where it just goes, call me, call me. And it's just 2 chords. It's a D minor to a C. So for D minor, you're gonna play open D string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and then 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, 1st finger on the 1st fret of the E string, D minor. And sometimes I use my pinky. You can use your pinky or your 3rd finger, whichever's comfortable for you. And then go to C. And it's on the and of 2, so we'll count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And we just repeat this. It's a lot of times. It's like 16, 17 times. We just do that. And then the last time it just goes call. Just ends on the C. There you go, guys. Broke down the whole song for you. Leave any questions you have in the comments below. Also, get your requests in down below for future lessons. Make sure you're subscribed. We've got new videos dropping all the time. Also, if you're interested in learning lead playing like what I did at the beginning of this video, you can click the link in the description and get a free PDF that's all about soloing as my gift to you. It's over 100 pages long. It's a book I wrote called Melodic Expressions. Thank you so much for your support. We'll see you guys in the next video.